Vijay. Now let's break some myths about Agentforce.
So to use Agentforce, I need to hire a technical team. As you saw, no, it's not the case, and you need to monitor it for the highly team. You do not need a non-technical
I think
guy.
I said it myself. I build agent for myself without any background information. So you definitely do not need a technical person only.
You
to
do
do
not
that.
need one. As a business owner, if I use Agentforce, I do not need any human to interact with end customers. So partially true, partially not true. For the basic task, no, you would not be needing a human. But for complex tasks, you would be needing a human. So a human will be there, but he will be only bothered when there are certain things which are complex or which is something which AI couldn't understand what to do. As a business owner, I only want to use Agentforce. Is it necessary to have data cloud? No. You are fine. If you don't have data cloud, you are fine. Although data cloud comes pre-bundled, but you do not need data cloud. You don't need to configure data cloud as well. You can use it with the capability that you have already.
The next one was if Agentforce can only operate in one language. I think I've already addressed that previously. Businesses out there want to go global. They have multiple operations already. That's why Agentforce comes in really handy. You can customize the language to the geography of your current business. So that's obviously helpful. As Agentforce uses AI, my customer data is at risk. I think Vijay would address that quite pretty well as well.
Brother, we have trust layer. Don't worry.
Also, Salesforce has trust as its core value, so data protection is paramount importance to everybody out there.
Just to highlight one more thing. These are the questions that we get very often in our interaction with community members, with clients, and with the prospects as well. So we have decided to kind of cover them over here as well, just so you guys have an understanding about it. Even if you might not be wondering, but now as you have read it, you may be wondering about it. So we are answering them over here. If you have any more myths that you want to be broken, you can ask them in the chat.
So as a business owner, I understand that Agentforce can only help me in customer service, not in any other task.
We saw that. It's not the case. You can use it for any type of thing that you want.
I think the demo gave quite a brilliant answer to that. Is it accurate that Agentforce only supports text data and does not accommodate images? If so, how might this limitation impact our operations and data processing needs?
Structured and unstructured data, both are covered. We have a diagram as well, so you don't need to worry about it. With the data cloud, it is covered, both of them, and we can definitely leverage them.
As a business owner, I'd like to know, is Agentforce limited to running on Salesforce products like communities and e-commerce websites, or does it offer compatibility with other systems as well?
So this is a really great question. So Salesforce, Agentforce can be linked to various other channels, as we discussed, sales, email, WhatsApp, and even other components as well. So it's not limited to that. We can expose it to different platforms where you want to use it. And in roadmap, we have Agentforce API invocable actions that can be invoked from flows, that can be invoked from Apex, and Agentforce that can be invoked via API as well. So you're not limited. Just wait for some time as Salesforce release those features in new release. I think it would be in next year, March, I guess. I'm not sure. Don't take me by the word. Forward-looking statement. Yeah.
But the sooner the better.
Yeah.
As a business owner, do I need to use all Salesforce products like sales, service, marketing, and many other clouds in order to leverage Agentforce?
No, that's not the case. You can use Agentforce with the features and with the cloud that you're using right now.
Agentforce is not suitable for smaller businesses. Is it true?
No, it's very suitable. It will definitely do wonders for you. It will do sales. It will do SDR. It will reach out on behalf of you to the customers, and it will identify which are the hot leads that needs to be kind of diverted to a agent. So that is SDR. So you can use it in that sense. There are other sense as well. There are other ways as well where it can benefit you, but just think from the SDR perspective only. You do not need to hire a new individual. You can simply employ Salesforce development representative agent, and it will reach out to the leads. It will identify which leads are hot. It will schedule a meeting for you. It can divert them for you. And you have at all times the capability to see what all interactions my agent is making with that particular lead, and you can take actions on it.
So and obviously control the kind of conversations it can have. So to put it simply, irrespective of the size of a business or the industry, Agentforce is useful to you or might have some use case that you can derive out of it.
Yeah, but just like the service agent, that's a great way. You do not need to worry about any of the customer service. It will take care of it on behalf of you. SDR, as I explained, it's a really great capability. Sales coach is something that I like the most, and which I am really liking it. And then we have the personal shopper agent, which is commerce concierge. Assume like you have a agent which is kind of taking care of your customers' need. Like, what are the products which might be good for you? It is taking care of that. If you want to replace an order, if you want to cancel an order, it will take care of that as well. So that is something which is possible with that. And then we have the capability of campaign optimizer, which is like doing the marketing campaigns on behalf of you. So obviously, so apart from the ones that we showcased you, Salesforce pre-built agents are really great, and you should definitely kind of check them out, and it will do wonder for you.